Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the topic where to search, right? So where and how to search, these are two very big questions. So once you have your title in hand, that means you would be having few keywords, and around those keywords only you will be needing data, right? Data to read from, data to cite, or to build from. So the moment you have your tentative title, you're going to have some keywords, and these keywords are very important. Keywords are very important because at the end of the day we are going to use and or with our keywords. For example, machine learning and security based techniques, right? Or we can make it machine learning security, or maybe something else, techniques, and or either this or either that. Such kind of propositions, they keep on happening when we are searching, but you need your keywords first in order to make these different kinds of permutations and combinations. So the next thing is again where to search. The first question is to understand that definitely you need to search. ढूंढने की ज़रूरत तो है, that is very much clear in everyone's head. Then the next question is ढूंढना कहाँ है. So पहले क्या होता था, earlier we used to have the research material published in terms of books, in terms of thesis. Journals used to be, उसकी भी ना offline printed copy आती थी, and it used to be delivered to people who would subscribe to it. तो जिसका जो एरिया accordingly they're going to subscribe and get those journals. So it was a very slow and tedious and physical process, I would say. Physical process ज़्यादा था ये, बाकी areas of research में भी. But if you look at last 20 years, you will realize that internet has boomed, and thanks to internet, people can access anything anywhere, right? And that also includes this research work. So thanks to internet, we have access to few of the international research databases, which are also called as electronic databases. And only few things are indexed in these databases. So the question is, this database में क्या-क्या चीज़ जाएगी? What all will be included in this database as a research contribution, or a research title, or a research paper. So that is done via those filtering. जैसे for example हमने conference में apply किया, we applied our paper in conference, then it will go through reviewers, maybe one reviewer, maybe two reviewer, maybe three reviewer. Now then it will be accepted, right? And then it will be published. Now after getting this published, it will be indexed, and then it will be reflected in these electronic databases which are visible across the world. So for our purposes, and since we are only targeting CSE specific journals, there are different electronic databases. So Science Direct is one. If you go to IEEE Explore, EXPLORE, IEEE Explore is one. ACM Digital Library is one. Again, Google Scholar is one. Then Science Direct, IEEE Explore, Scopus is one. Web of Science is one. Now these are run by different agencies and different international organizations who are the pioneers in terms of research output. So you can pick up any one, or you can pick up any two, or you can pick up any three. So maybe you use this, or you use this, or you use this, and this you tell in the methodology section of your paper, or you tell this in your introduction, or maybe sometime later, that we are only referencing Science Direct and Scopus, or you can say that we are only using this electronic database. Ideally it is better to use two databases at least. If you cannot use two databases, if you only had to use one, I would suggest that you better go to Scopus. Simply search Scopus on Google and you will get a web page. So let's go to Google and let's search Scopus. And I would also request you to come to college and then do this searching operation, because our college has Scopus database ka subscription. So the moment you open this, on top right hand side, let it open. On the top right hand side corner, आपने laptop पे खोल के देखना, यहाँ लिखा आएगा bought to you by Graphic Era University. Bought to you by Graphic Era University. So which means we'll have access to that database for free. And there would be keywords that you will have to put in search query, the keyword search box hai, and accordingly there would be some filters over here, right? So that is how you filter down everything. You'll have to specify which year, you'll have to specify the area, which area are you interested in, such kind of parameters are on the left hand side. On the other hand, using keywords in a strategic manner, please make sure that you do the searching in a very strategic manner. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि हम भूल गए थे और हमने देखा नहीं या हमने ध्यान नहीं दिया. That will dilute the entire research. बिकॉज जितना आपका इनिशियल वर्क स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा उतना ही आगे स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा, तभी कंक्लूजन्स मेक कर पाओगे. यू वुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड वर्क एंड देन मेक कंक्लूजन्स, राइट. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर वेरी वेरी थॉरो when you're doing it in the beginning, and then you're trimming down everything, because initially if you simply put blockchain, you'll find that there are more than 90,000 entries. If I put blockchain and some other area, maybe model or security, then again you'll find that there are close to 9,000 papers. Now I cannot possibly read 9,000 papers. इसमें से मुझे 90 निकालने पड़ेंगे या 40 निकालने पड़ेंगे. द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ, राइट. सो दिस इज़ योर स्कोपस. अब यहाँ पे टॉप में जहाँ पे स्कोपस प्रीव्यू लिखा है, दिस इज़ वेयर brought to you by Graphic Era University will be simply written. You can go and click on the search button which is at top. After searching, instead of putting author last name or first name, I want you to simply put the keywords, right. I've selected author profile. You can search for a paper also. Check Scopus access. Yes, we do have Scopus access. So this is not working on my iPad because I've not connected through the college का internet connection, है ना. See your institution. Our institution is a part of this, so you'll get access to this and you can simply search and ask me if you have any queries. It's a basic simple search wala port. Wait, let me check Scopus. Let me go to images. Yeah, so it this one. When you will click on this, क्योंकि वो click नहीं हो रहा था, so I have to zoom. See, what happens is in this particular row, if you can see on the left hand side, it is saying that 105248, which is 1,05,248 document results. तो ऐसे ना पूरी list आ जाएगी. You'll get this entire list. Yeah, now it is still clear. See, click on analyze results to view search result displayed in graph formats. Forget about this. You will get this list of title, document title. If you can see, you'll get these different titles, and whatever keywords you put. For example, on the left hand side you can see title, abstract key, and solar energy is the keyword that is used. तो आपको नीचे पूरे सोलर एनर्जी जहाँ जहाँ लिखा हुआ है उस टाइप के टाइटल्स मिल जाएंगे. यू कैन कस्टम दिस, यू कैन टेलर दिस बाय यूजिंग डिफरेंट सेट्स ऑफ कीवर्ड्स इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड only those works that are suitable for you, that are applicable to you and that would be beneficial for you. हर चीज़ जाके कहीं से भी कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ना है, एक डायरेक्शन में पढ़ना है. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, you will read 100 different things about 100 different topics and you would not be wiser by the end of the day. So you have to read 100 different things about one topic only, so that you are 100 times आगे as compared to other people. So this is the Scopus का screenshot or that image. On the left hand side you can see that year is mentioned, area would be mentioned, one or more parameters would be there. You can refine your results also. You can filter down from here and you can directly download. यहाँ पे download के अंदर भी there are many options. You can download an Excel file and you can include the abstract in it, right. By reading the abstract you can figure out कि मेरे को paper चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए. For the purpose of this particular workshop, I would request you to go either on IEEE Explore. I will show you that only. So क्योंकि हम ना जो पेपर टारगेट कर रहे हैं वो मोरलेस IEEE के फॉर्मेट के हैं, तो इट वुड बी बेटर एंड इट वुड बी कन्वीनियंट टू सी हाउ दे आर राइटिंग एंड हाउ दे आर एक्सेप्टिंग. सेकेंड इज Scopus. नाउ Scopus इज मतलब वर्ल्ड renowned डेटाबेस. So we'll go on Scopus. Web of Science भी जा सकते हैं. If you want you can pick up Web of Science also. Totally up to you. Scholar की सिर्फ indexing में इसलिए मना करूँगी at this point of time because it is a little bit tedious and Scholar includes both types of work. It includes Scopus indexed works and non-Scopus indexed works as well, right? हमारा target सिर्फ Scopus indexed works पे जाने का है क्योंकि हम खुद भी यही बनना चाहते हैं. We want to work on something which is capable or worthy of calling this that it is Scopus indexed. and we are going to look or search the database for it. इसी पे जाएंगे, Scopus पे ही जाना. आगे पीछे के इंटरनेट के जो सोर्सेज होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल ब्लॉग्स आर आल्सो अ सोर्स ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन, न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल्स आर अ सोर्स ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन, different articles, different. If you go to Medium, you'll find so many blogs. There are people who are writing on their personal websites. Everything is a source of information, and everything can work, and everything can be cited, right? But at the end of the day, for research articles and for research works, for specific core wala work, you have to go to Scopus and take out a list of papers. यहाँ से आपको लिस्ट मिल जाएगी टेंटेटिव. नाउ वंस यू हैव दैट लिस्ट, देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कम्स, हाउ टू डाउनलोड और फ्रॉम वेयर यू नो यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड दोज papers, how to download. So let me see if I make sense in this iPad, because ideally I believe ये काम मुझे लैपटॉप पे करना चाहिए, but let's see, just trying. There is this website called as Sci-Hub, right, which is basically a shadow library website that provides free access to millions of research papers and books without regards to copyright, by bypassing publishers' paywalls in various ways. So this is basically a Russian website, and this is the logo of that website, where you will see a crow who is holding a key, right? And obviously crow is a bird, so he or she will fly away with the key. So it's very beautiful and ironical. And basically what they do is, जैसे हम F movies पे movies देखते हैं pirated, वही चीज़ same profile इस website का है, but it provides research articles for free. So if you see, the motive is really nice. Motive बुरा नहीं है, motive अच्छा है. There are many articles that you have to pay for, and you don't get access to them for free, right? That's why we also have to pay. For every paper we'll be paying 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 rupees, the cost involved in getting the entire thing published. So if they are charging us, they are also charging other people to read that work also. तो उसमें बहुत सारा पैसा वैसा सब लगता है. Forget about that. As students we should not be looking at that. On the contrary, you can directly go to Sci-Hub. These are the links. कभी कोई लिंक चलेगा, समटाइम्स फर्स्ट वन विल वर्क, समटाइम्स सेकेंड वन विल वर्क, समटाइम्स थर्ड वन विल वर्क. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू ट्राई, हिट एंड ट्राई एंड सी विच वन वर्क्स. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो go to Telegram and download Sci-Hub, or maybe follow the Sci-Hub ka page. There also if you can get the papers, right? So how you're going to get the papers? For example, let's go to this paper, Talwar something, yesterday or day before we opened this. Yeah, for example, this is the paper, right? If I can read. Okay, let's go for this. वैसे paper downloaded है, but I'm just telling you for how to do it. See, DOI is Document Object Identifier. DOI stands for Document Object Identifier. It is basically a unique identifier that is used to identify a document, right, or document object. So DOI is a unique number, and it always starts from this 10 dot something, right? You'll always find 10 dot something there. For example, if जैसे ये खुल गया, can you see at the bottom left, DOI.org 10.1016/ something. This is the number that you have to copy. See, this is the paper, a survey on the security of blockchain systems, right? If I have to read this paper, पहले मैं title पढ़ूंगी, title पढ़ने के बाद these are the highlights, or these are the contributions of the paper. If I still don't get what is in the paper, I'm going to read the abstract, and most importantly, I'm going to tentatively go through these headings. The first one is introduction, second is overview of blockchain technologies, third is risk to blockchain, fourth is attack cases, fifth is security enhancements, and last is future directions and conclusion. So for me, these things become very important. And if I have to take out this paper and I don't have a subscription to Science Direct, I'm going to copy this number, right? Simply copy this. And after copying this, I'm going to go to my Sci-Hub page and paste it. Yeah, and open. Let's see if it opens, because ideally मुझे जो 10.1016/j.future है ना, यहाँ से कॉपी करना होता है, ये पीछे का नहीं करते हैं. HTTPS and all of this is not copied, but even if you do copy that by mistake, Sci-Hub allows you that, and it will still find out that paper. तो ideally ये जो है ना, how do I tell? Wait. Yeah. So ideally only this part, right? only this part we write, itna. This is the DOI number. This one, this is the DOI number, and there is no need to write this particular part. इसको लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. You simply write from this 10 dot से ही हमेशा शुरू होता है, and it is a unique number which is called as DOI number. You copy the DOI number of any paper that you like, and then you paste it on Sci-Hub. And if this website has a copy of that paper, it will give you that paper. If it doesn't have it, तो वो मना कर देगा कि मेरे पास paper नहीं है. As simple as that. See, it is trying to load, so I think the paper is there. Paper is available on Sci-Hub, this particular one, right? So where to search? You have to search on Scopus. You have to use specific keywords. You have to then download a file, maybe an Excel file or maybe the references, and then one by one you have to take out those papers. Now think about that iteration, जो first iteration की मैं बात कर रही थी. You're just exploring papers, you're just reading abstracts of paper, right? And you have to make a pool. तो आपको broad knowledge होनी चाहिए. You should have a lot of broad knowledge. You should have a lot of broad knowledge in order to figure out which are those papers that are significant or applicable to your area. So the workflow of where to search, where का आंसर मैंने दे दिया. There are many electronic databases. अगर आपको जितना वाइड करना है अपनी स्टडी का स्कोप, आप उतना वाइड कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू वांट टू इंक्लूड ऑल 5 और मे बी 7 डेटाबेसेस, अलग अलग तरीके के, हिंदावी वगैरह, टेलर फ्रांसिस, सब ने अपने अपने बना रखे हैं. तो आप अपना चूज कर सकते हो कि आपको कौन सा सर्च करना है. एंड दैट यू हैव टू मेंशन इन योर पेपर दैट फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ दिस स्टडी आई हैव यूज्ड सो एंड सो डेटाबेसेस, सो दैट द रीडर नोज. ऐसा नहीं हो कि तुमने बोल दिया हमने तो सब साइट करे हैं या फिर हमने सब ढूंढा है. द रीडर इज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि उन्होंने सब ढूंढा तो ये उस हिसाब से पेपर लिखेंगे, और अल्टीमेटली हमने उस हिसाब से नहीं लिखा. सो आइडियली दैट शुड नॉट हैपन. You should again promise only that you can deliver. So pick up these 1 or 2 databases. एक भी पिक कर सकते हो, 5 भी कर सकते हो, 7 भी कर सकते हो, आपके ऊपर है. फिर आप एक डेटाबेस को पकड़ के कीवर्ड सर्च करोगे, और कीवर्ड सर्च करने के बाद यू आर गोइंग टू डाउनलोड ईदर द रेफरेंसेज और द टाइटल ऑफ दोज पेपर्स. वंस यू डाउनलोड इट, यू कैन रीड द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, या फिर आप पढ़ते जब आप डाउनलोड कर रहे हो तब भी आप एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पढ़ सकते हो, जस्ट टू गेट अ टेंटेटिव आइडिया व्हाट इज इट दैट यू नीड. एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू डाउनलोड दोज पेपर्स जो सिग्निफिकेंट है, जिनकी ज़रूरत है. यू गोइंग टू डाउनलोड दोज पेपर्स बाय यूजिंग DOI नंबर एंड यूजिंग द Sci-Hub वेबसाइट. इफ़ यू स्टिल अनेबल टू फाइंड दीज पेपर्स, ऐसा होता है बहुत बार कि उसके बाद भी पेपर नहीं मिल रहे हैं, और कुछ पेपर ऐसे हैं जो हमें चाहिए ही चाहिए. सम पेपर्स आर ऑफ दैट bent that you want it, you need it. So उसका तरीका ये होता है that you write a mail to the authors, whoever the authors are for that particular. I'll go here. See, ideally this is not opening, but wait, if I can see, show more, there will be their address given somewhere. See, दिस इज, देखो क्लिक करते ही मेरे आउटलुक ने अपने आप खोल दिया. दिस इज़ द वेबसाइट, दिस इज़ द ईमेल एड्रेस फॉर देम, राइट. सो सेम थिंग यू कैन डू. यू कैन सिंपली गो टू दीज पीपल एंड यू कैन मेल देम दैट आई हैव सीन सो एंड सो योर पेपर. लिख दो उसमें कि मैंने आपका ये पेपर देखा था एंड आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन योर वर्क, हाउएवर आई एम अनएबल टू एक्सेस योर वर्क, कैन यू काइंडली शेयर इट. सो दे आर सिंपली गोइंग टू शेयर. ऑथर शेयर इसलिए कर देते हैं क्योंकि अगर आप उनका पेपर पढ़ रहे हो तो आप साइट करोगे तो उनके लिए भी अच्छा है और आपके लिए भी अच्छा है, क्योंकि आपको पेपर फ्री में मिल गया और इनके काम को रीच मिल गई जो ऑथर्स को चाहिए होते हैं. इन दोनों के बीच में वी हैव दीज सब्सक्रिप्शंस विच आर वेरी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, है ना. आइडियली नॉट एवरी वन ऑफ यू वुड लाइक टू बिकम अ रिसर्चर, राइट, बट यू स्टिल वांट टू लर्न हाउ टू डू इट. तो उसके लिए यू डोंट हैव टू बाय और यू डोंट हैव टू पे. यू विल फाइंड दैट $35 का एक रिसर्च पेपर सेल होता है, $20 का एक रिसर्च पेपर सेल होता है. तो उसका वे आउट ये है कि आप डायरेक्टली ऑथर से मांग लो, क्योंकि डायरेक्ट ऑथर आपको सर्विस कर सकता है, या फिर आप Sci-Hub से ढूंढो, या फिर आप मुझसे बात करो, और इधर यू टॉक टू सम अदर फैकल्टीज. एंड बिकॉज वी हैव सम प्रोफेशनल अकाउंट्स, सो वी कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई टू टेक आउट दोज पेपर्स एंड देन गिव इट टू यू. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट वेयर टू सर्च. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू सर्च. How to search.